Hello, I am Ashish. What is sales? Sales means transfer of ownership of goods and services to the customer for a price. If Torun sells computer to Borun, the ownership of computer transfer from Torun to Borun and Torun entitled to be received cash from Borun. If the term sales used only for the goods purchased for resale, the term sales never used for sale of asset. If a cloth dealer sell cloth, it is called sale. But the cloth dealer sells old furniture, typewriter, etc. It will be not considered as sale. Thank you. Keep watching.